Alright guys, today we're going to look at some updated renders of what the Oneplus Open might end up looking like. So 9 to 5 Google posted this article right here, and as it reads, the Oneplus Open seems like a compelling foldable smartphone, but it seems it might not be what we've been expecting. Updated leaks to the first Oneplus foldable suggest that it will be a lot more like the Pixel Fold and the Oppo Find N2 than was expected. Over the past several months, we've heard a lot about the first OnePlus foldable called the OnePlus Open, and as the brand confirmed recently, the device was thought to offer a design that sort of splits the Oppo's smaller Find N2 and Samsung's tall and narrow Z Fold series. Leaked renders show that the design, which was certainly compelling, but in an update to that, OnLeaks and SmartPricks revealed that the OnePlus Open will actually be a lot smaller and more similar to the Google Pixel Fold and the Oppo Find N2. The updated design is based on pictures of a pre-production unit, which shows a new aspect ratio that's wider and shorter, with a lot bigger of a camera module, and the whole design is more rounded too, and has more rounded corners on all sides of the display. The frame is also shown with flat edges. So here is what we have for the renders. Now, again, we don't know what's going on under the hood for this phone. It probably will be pretty much a carbon copy of the Find N2, or it could be as updated as the Find N3. Of course, if it does have, the power of the Find N3, which will come with 12 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, that's going to be really, really good, especially when you look at the price tag range of probably $1,300, $1,400. This is going to be a really good cell phone to pick up, especially compared to the competition being $1,800. Nonetheless, though, as we can see, this does have a beautiful outside camera module, and surprisingly enough, I know these are just renders, but if you look at the Vivo foldable phones, what you will see is the outside camera bump is really not that intrusive. It's not that crazy. So it's very possible that this phone also does not have that crazy of a camera bump, and really is actually, I don't say usable, but it's better looking, right? We look at the Surface Duo 2's camera bump, and that thing was like a pimple on the back of the phone. Nonetheless, though, of course, as it says in the first one, the corners are very rounded, which is nice, and of course there's little to no bezels on the front display. Again, this is just a render. It's very possible there are more bezels on this phone when it does go ahead and come out, and of course the crease you can see right here, which we're probably going to have a crease on this phone too. Now, if you look at the back of the phone, of course, what is this, the flash? Yeah, we have the flash in the left hand corner. Okay, we have a camera module right over here. It looks like an under-display camera module because you see there's no bezels around the side. That's going to be really interesting. And it looks like on the side, yep, exactly what we probably expected. Going to be either a power button, fingerprint reader. That's what I'm trying to say. Fingerprint reader, power button, or it could be under display. My guess is going to be a power button fingerprint reader. We got the up and down, and this thing is going to be very, very, very thin. I will definitely say that. I know I messed up in one of my most recent videos. I talked about the Huawei Mate X2, I believe, and I said that it was actually thicker than the Z Fold 5 and the Google Pixel Fold, because that's what the article said, but you guys did correct me down below that that phone's actually thinner than both of those phones. And I'll be honest with you, this might be thinner than that phone. I don't know how I feel about this. This is going to be a really cool, interesting phone. I'm not going to lie to you, this is going to be a really cool, interesting phone. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.